Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset the forgotten PIN, password or pattern lock on your Google Pixel 4 or 4a or the XL. So first let's press and hold on the power button and tap on power off to switch off the device. Then you want to press and hold on the home button and the volume down key at the same time. So simultaneously press on both buttons, power button and volume down, press and hold. Now once you see it say fast boot mode, then you want to press on the volume down key. Press on the volume down key until it said recovery mode, and then press on the power button. Now before we go ahead and do this, just a word of warning. If you going to use this method, you will lose all the data on your device. So only be sure if you want to reset the device. Once we reset the device, all of your photos, contacts, data will be erased from the device. So only do this as the last resort if you cannot gain access to your device. So here we're going to choose recovery mode, press on the power button. On the next screen, you should see a dead Android robot. So what you want to do is press and hold on the power button, then quickly press and release the volume up key. So press and hold on the power button, then press and release the volume up key. After that, let go of all the buttons, and then you will see the Android recovery menu. In here you want to press on the volume down key and then select wipe data or factory reset. So wipe data or factory reset, and then press on the power button to select. After that, you want to press on the volume down key and choose factory data reset, and then press on the power button to select. Alright, now your device will be wiped clean, and after that you will be able to set up your device again with a new PIN or password. So here we're going to press on the power button to reboot the system now. Okay, so the device will now reboot. So give it a few seconds. Okay, so the reset is done. So in here I can swipe up. Alright, so I just need to swipe, and then it say welcome to your Pixel, get started, and that's it. So now we can set up the device offline, and in here you can now set up a new PIN, and this time try not to forget your PIN. If you cannot remember the previous PIN, try to set up another PIN, and maybe you need to write it down somewhere so that you don't forget the PIN or password. And that's it. And that's how you can set up. That's how you can reset your forgotten PIN, password, or unlock pattern, and how you can set up your device afterwards. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.